What is up, crypto world? This is Crypto Yosef, and today we're going to be doing a sponsored video on LocalCoinSwap. Now, before I get into this video, I want to preface it by asking us to subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, leave a like on the video. It goes a long way, and also follow me on Twitter. And now I'm going to talk about this sponsored video. So, just because this is a sponsored video doesn't mean I am going to be biased in any way, shape, or form. I just want to be completely transparent with you guys that this is a sponsored video. But like I said, I looked into this project. I've had a couple other emails and I have denied them for multiple reasons. Some I just don't reply to. Some of them have like crazy terms of standards, like, hey, you have to do it this pinpoint way, otherwise we're not going to do it. And I said, hey, no, that's not how I'm going to do it. I want to be 100% honest and make my video in my own way, however I want to present this and however I see this ICO. And I looked into LocalCoinSwap. Looks really promising. We're going to talk about how it works, the ICO, the platform LocalCoinSwap, the roadmap, the team, and that's gonna pretty much the pros and the cons, and that's how we're gonna look at this. So starting off with how it works, let's go ahead and take a look at how it works.
LocalCoinSwap is launching the most inclusive cryptocurrency marketplace ever developed. The marketplace features a completely distributed peer-to-peer trading system. There are no central bank accounts, no verification requirements, and no restrictions on trade. Unlike current peer-to-peer marketplaces, traders in any country can exchange any cryptocurrency for any method of payment, while LocalCoinSwap holds the crypto portion of the transaction until the payment arrives, preventing theft or fraud. And the LocalCoinSwap marketplace is decentralized, but not in the traditional way. LocalCoinSwap decentralizes the part of the exchange which we all want to share in most, the profits. With a world-first cryptoshare system, LocalCoinSwap distributes 100% of the site's profits to its holders on a one-to-one basis through a blockchain-based decentralized dividend application. The dividend currencies are the same currencies traded on the exchange, so traders receive regular payments across an entire basket of cryptocurrencies just from holding one asset. And when new ICO tokens are listed on the platform, all CryptoShare holders receive an airdrop of the new tokens in advance. CryptoShare holders are not just investors. Together, we form a family of traders who submit and vote on important issues for the platform in a decentralized proof-of-stake system. What digital currencies should be implemented next? We vote. Where should we translate and market the platform next? We vote. There's even a special venture fund reserved for new business ideas put forward by the community. This is the way decentralized exchanges were supposed to be made. No restrictions, no discrimination, and everyone shares in the success. LocalCoinSwap. Let's build an exchange together.
Alright, so how it works, there's a platform and then there's the crypto shares, and that's the cryptocurrency you guys can get here on ICO. So, looking at the platform, that's the LocalCoinSwap. It says, thanks to LocalCoinSwap, traders can purchase any cryptocurrency directly. So you sign in, you simply sign up on LocalCoinSwap instantly without any unnecessary verification requirements. You can explore a wide variety of cryptocurrencies for the best deal. You guys can agree on a payment method, and you enter the trade. LocalCoinSwap holds the cryptocurrency in an escrow while the payment's made, and once the payment arrives, cryptocurrency is released to the buyer and the trade is complete. So that's how the platform works. Now let's look at the coin. So you purchase the LocalCoinSwap CryptoShare coin, LCS for short, through the ICO, or you guys can get them on exchanges in August. So the LocalCoinSwap exchange makes profits from escrow fees and all the currencies traded on the platform. Actually, I think it might be May, it might be August. It's going to be within that range. At the end of the quarter, 100% of the profits are distributed to the CryptoShare holders. So after every single quarter, it depends on how much you hold. There's going to be 100 million of these tokens. So let's say you hold 1 million of these. You are going to get 1% of the profits that were made through the dividends through the escrow. You guys are going to get the 1% dividend from the escrow fees if you hold 1 million of these tokens. And these tokens go for about 30-ish cents right now. It goes for about 0.0004 Ethereum per token. And it's 1 Ethereum for 2,500 of these tokens. You guys can do the math to see how you can get 1 million of these. When new ICOs are listed on the platform, all LocalCoinSwap CryptoShare holders receive a small amount of that token in the airdrop for each cryptocurrency, for each CryptoShare they hold of the LCS token. And then, so pretty much you're going to be building a portfolio here from just holding this single asset being LCS. You're going to be getting all this income from multiple currencies. You're not just going to get paid in Ethereum or Bitcoin. And that's how the platform works here, and that's how the cryptoshare token is going to work. Now let's go ahead and talk about the ICO. Alright, now looking at the ICO for LocalCoinSwap, we're going to be looking at it through ICO Bench. So we're going to look at this first. So the token is LCS. One LCS costs about 0.0004 Ethereum. And the platform is obviously ERC20. It's a ERC20 token. So if you have an Ethereum wallet, you guys can hold LCS tokens on there. And they accept multiple types of payment. You can pay with Swift. You can pay with Fiat. You can pay with multiple cryptocurrencies. They accept Ripple, Ethereum, Bitcoin, US Tether, Bitcoin Cash, and a lot of fiats here. Their soft cap is very low. It's only $500,000 US, and the hard cap is 20 million. And the thing that's really nice about LCS is that they are going to burn all the tokens that they don't sell. So they're allocating 70 million tokens, LCS tokens, to this ICO. And let's say they only sell 10 million of these. Well, your LCS tokens value just increased a whole lot, and the percent of the whole LCS token thing just decreased a whole lot. So let's say they sell 10 million. Well, guess what? If you own 1 million of these now, you own a lot more of the LCS tokens percentage wise than you would have if there was 100 million. Because if there was 100 million, you would have owned 1%. Now you own 10%, just based off of simple math, obviously. 10 million, 1 million. So if it's like that, if it becomes like that, that can be good for you guys. So getting a lot of these tokens can be really beneficial, especially if they don't hit the hard cap and they just hit the soft cap. You can see a lot of increase of value there. Something to note there. So if you guys get in on this after it breaks the soft cap, or you guys, and if you guys get in on this before it breaks the soft cap, that's fine. And let's say it doesn't hit the soft cap, you will be refunded all your money. They'll send you all your Ethereum back, or whatever you sent them, US dollar, US Tether, Bitcoin Cash, at Ripple, whatever you guys send them, they'll refund it if they don't hit the soft cap. So it's on Hong Kong. So that means there's no know your customer. You guys can buy this right now. There's no know your customer. So anyone can participate in here besides North Korea, which I don't think North Korea can participate anywhere, Iran, Syria, and Sudan. But anyone can pretty much participate in LocalCoinSwap's ICO. So if you guys have been looking for an ICO to participate, you live in America, this is one you guys can actually get in on. And that is about it on the ICO factor of this. 70% is, of course, going to be distributed, like I said. Now let's go ahead and take a look at their concept here. So the concept of the crypto share, like I told you guys, a brief understanding of how it's going to work. Well, it's community focused. So they have a dedicated support team, integrated social media features. Like I said, 100% of the profits are distributed to the users through the blockchain. So actually, one thing you guys might ask is, hey, how are they going to distribute 100% of their profits? Sounds like a red flag to me. Sounds like a scam. Well, actually, they have 10% in them, and it's frozen. It's with a crypto. It's used with a smart contract. They have it for 1 year locked up, and it's used for obviously for maintenance, security, stuff like that, and paying the staff team there for LocalCoinSwap. And so they have that 10% of the LCS tokens themselves there. So it's democratically operated. So it's a voting system with the proof of stake through the proof of stake system. It's the world's most inclusive exchange. So it's instant sign up, no verification, no restrictions, completely transparent. It's open source, and it's nice. It has multiple signature transactions. 95% of the funds are in cold storage. So if someone it's literally impossible to hack LocalCoinSwap. So what happened with Binance and the API thing, that can't happen here because it's all the funds are in cold storage. So it would be extremely difficult to make that possible here on LocalCoinSwap to see that API thing that happened with Binance. And so the token itself has utility because you receive airdrops, you receive multiple dividends for profits, and that's the whole concept of buying this crypto share. And if it doesn't hit the hard cap, it's beneficial for you guys. You guys will have much more value if it doesn't hit the hard cap. So buying a lot and seeing it have a huge burn is beneficial for you guys. So getting in on this, plus You can participate this in America, and it's rare to find an ICO that you can participate in while you live in America. So you guys might as well take advantage of this ICO. Now let's go ahead and take a look at their roadmap and their team. Alright, so now we're looking at the roadmap here, and looking at the roadmap, they've been working on this since 2015. We're over here in 2018, so I'm just going to look at the future here. So we're currently in March, so that's where the pre-sale is in a couple days here. After that, the ICO is going to occur in April, and then in May, they're going to be listing for exchanges, and that's when you guys can get a hold of these without ICO. But I do recommend you guys do get in on ICO on here. If you guys use the link in the description, I get no type of revenue. It's just a link that's just like this. You guys literally go here, same link. It's just the LocalCoinSwap link. It's no like referral code or nothing like that. So I'm trying to let you guys know I'm not getting any extra revenue by you guys signing up for this ICO or not. So looking at that, so they're going to be listing here in May. That's when they're going to be popping up on exchanges, possibly. And if they don't get on a lot of exchanges in May, you guys can get a hold of this obviously on the LocalCoinSwap exchange in August. And they have the platform released here in June. That's when the platform of LocalCoinSwap is going to be listed. And that's going to be a really good selling point when they're trying to get listed on exchanges, is having this platform already out in June. It's going to make it really easy for them to get listed on a lot of big exchanges. It's one of the easiest ways to get listed on Binance, is having a working platform, and LocalCoinSwap having that early investor access platform. That's going to be a huge selling point for them trying to get listed on Binance in the future. They're going to have their first crypto shareholder vote in July, and what that means is it's their first proof of stake democratical vote for what cryptocurrencies you want, or anything else that you guys want LocalCoinSwap to do, ICOs, stuff like that. All done through a democratic system there. And then they have the launch date for the exchange in August. And then you will see a mobile application for LocalCoinSwap in January of 2019. And then they start dividend distributions in February 2019. And that's the roadmap so far. Now let's go ahead and hop over to their team. Alright, so looking at LocalCoinSwap's team here, they have a very well-rounded team. No crazy superstars, no crazy person standing out. But the person who does stand out to me the most is Thomas Underwood here, as he is a customer acquisition regional manager at TradingViews currently right now, and that's probably the person that stands out the most on this team. But this team is really well-rounded, very well-educated, looks really promising. They can definitely produce what they're talking about here in their white papers. Really well-made white paper. They talk about their project in depth and exactly what they want to accomplish. Project looks good with the team that they have surrounding it. A lot of good degrees to produce what LocalCoinSwap is talking about here, and their team definitely looks like they are fully capable of producing a successful LocalCoinSwap concept here, like to produce the concept they're talking about here, to actually follow through on it. So they actually already have a demo, and I'm going to be playing that video for you guys right now. They sent me a demo of what LocalCoinSwap is sort of like. I'm going to play that for you guys so you guys can see that they already have a sort of working product. Obviously, it's a demo, and yeah, so let's go ahead and take a look at that. Alright, so that was a demo version of a working platform for LocalCoinSwap. Very early stages there. But I want to talk to you guys about the allocation system there for the crypto shares, the LCS token. So they have the 70% allocated to the pre-sales, not the pre-sale, but the crowd sale. So that's the pre-sale plus the ICO. And any cryptocurrency of the crypto share, of course, not any cryptocurrency, but crypto shares that are not sold will be burned. So in other words, if they don't hit the hard cap, but they pass the soft cap, anything that they don't sell, it will be burned of that 70% allocation. And that is really beneficial for people who get in on this, because it will instantly increase the value of your coin. And just by pointing that out, that is a really attractive thing about this, because it's not a extremely popular ICO right now, although it is still in pre-sale. It hasn't even hit ICO stages yet. It's still not extremely popular, and that's actually beneficial. Plus, you can participate in the United States. It's a good project, and it's really hard to find that combination of a good project in the United States that you can participate and with a coin burn, and it's not popular either. So those 3 points right there, really good pros right there, because if you guys get in on this ICO now, you guys can see a lot of gains. Plus, it's going to have the dividends coming in, and it just looks really promising with the way this is set up. And this is the allocations. You guys can go ahead and read this. You guys can look more in depth on LocalCoinSwap on their white paper. They go in depth about everything. Of course, this is open source. It's going to be on the public GitHub. And this is beautiful, guys. And the soft cap is only 500,000, not even $1 million. It's just 500,000 USD soft cap. The hard cap is 20 million. So let's say they sell 5 million USD. That is actually beneficial to anyone who invested in this ICO. So if you guys do live in the United States, it's hard to find these sort of cryptocurrency ICOs. So I would take advantage of this. I personally am. Not exactly right now. The market's a little bit iffy, but once my buy power comes back, I'm definitely going to be investing a little bit of it into this cryptocurrency, because you're pretty much guaranteed profits with the concept here. It's a very low popularity ICO. And of course, as more YouTubers share the word of LocalCoinSwap, it will gain some traction. But if it doesn't hit the hard cap, you are going to see some instant profits in your LCS. Also, whenever cryptocurrency is listed on an exchange, it obviously costs more than the ICO value, but it will increase even more faster when the market cap is smaller. Well, not the market cap, but the total supply will be smaller. So this is going to be really beneficial to anyone who holds this. And I don't know, I just really want to get it in your guys' head that this is a really good opportunity, especially if you live in the United States. And it sounds like I'm shilling this, but I'm just trying to be completely honest with you guys here. And this opportunity doesn't happen very often, finding a cryptocurrency that accepts U.S. investors into their ICO, and they burn their tokens. They're not extremely popular. It's just really hard to find this combination. So I just want to make that clear with you guys, so you guys can look into this ICO, because I know some people really want to get in on ICOs and they live in the United States and they never find any, because they're always looking at these really popular ones that never take U.S. investors on their ICOs. So do take a look at CoinSwap. You do some of your own research as well. Just hop on over to their website. I'll leave a link in the description so you guys can take a look at it. It looks really, really promising, and I personally am telling you guys about it because I believe in the project. I'm not going to tell you guys about something that I don't believe in. So hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys did, please leave a like down below in I was about to say the comment section, but in the bottom of this video, leave a like down below. Comment down below what you guys think about LocalCoinSwap. Are you guys going to get in on LocalCoinSwap? And without further ado, my name is Joseph, and this has been the review on LocalCoinSwap, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.